Imagine stepping into your kitchen and seeing a beautiful, functional island at the heart of the room, a space that's purpose-built for everything you dream of doing, from cooking culinary masterpieces to gathering with friends and family. Creating your dream kitchen island from scratch is not just about adding a feature to your home. It's about transforming the way you use your kitchen and making it uniquely yours. The journey begins with understanding your needs and the role your kitchen island will play in your daily life. Every family and every cook is different. Is your kitchen a bustling hub where meals are prepared side by side, or a serene retreat where you find tranquility in baking? Take a moment to envision your island in action. Are you hosting lively dinner parties, crafting intricate desserts, or simply enjoying a coffee and newspaper on a Sunday morning? This vision will shape every decision that follows. Next, consider the size and placement of your island. It should flow seamlessly with the rest of your kitchen, providing enough room to move comfortably between countertop, stove, and sink. Walk around your kitchen and imagine the paths you'll take as you cook, clean, and socialize. As a rule of thumb, leave at least 36 to 48 inches of clearance on all sides of your island. This ensures that doors and drawers open easily, guests can move freely, and you don't feel cramped while working. Now think about the island's shape and surface. Rectangular islands are classics, offering generous workspace and storage underneath. But perhaps your kitchen calls for a square, an L shape, or even a curved island to fit neatly with your space and style. When it comes to materials, you have a world of options: sleek granite, warm butcher block, shimmering quartz, or cool marble. Consider how you cook and live. Will a resilient, low-maintenance surface serve you best? Or do you yearn for the rich patina that develops on a wooden counter over time? Once you've settled on a shape and material, decide what features your island will include. The sky's the limit. Do you want a spacious sink or a cooktop built right in? Perhaps you crave more counter space for meal prep, or you envision a stretch of seating where guests can linger while you cook. Drawers and cabinets underneath offer storage for pots, pans, and seldom-used appliances, reducing countertop clutter. Open shelving can display cookbooks or favorite dishes. Some islands even feature wine racks, built-in microwaves, or pull-out spice racks. Lighting is another essential element. A well-lit island becomes a true centerpiece, glowing invitingly at the center of your kitchen. Pendant lights can cast warm pools of light while adding a stylish flair. Consider layering lighting. Combine overhead fixtures with under-counter LED strips for both task lighting and ambiance. If possible, position your island near a window to capture natural light during the day. Personal touches are what turn a kitchen island from a functional addition into the heart of your home. Choose hardware for drawers and cabinets that complements your overall kitchen style, whether that's sleek stainless steel, rustic bronze, or even colorful glass knobs. Incorporate patterns, textures, or a distinctive color, maybe a bold shade that contrasts with the rest of your kitchen, turning your island into an eye-catching accent. No dream kitchen island is complete without seating that encourages family and friends to gather, chat, and connect. Choose stools or chairs that are comfortable yet sturdy, easy to clean but pleasing to the eye. Think about your family's lifestyle. Do you need enough seats for casual breakfasts, homework sessions, or cocktails with friends? Adjust the height and depth of your countertop. A standard counter is 36 inches tall, while a bar height surface goes up to 42 inches. You might even consider a two-tiered design, letting you separate food prep from dining space. If you're embarking on a DIY project, careful planning and measurements are crucial. Sketch out your design or use a digital planner to map out every element. Source quality materials and hardware that will stand the test of time. Don't be afraid to consult with professionals, a carpenter, electrician, or plumber. They can help ensure your island is safe, functional, and built to code, especially if you're incorporating plumbing or electricity. Sustainability is another factor to keep in mind. Eco-friendly materials like bamboo or reclaimed wood can add character to your island, while smart appliances can reduce energy consumption. Thinking ahead about durability and environmental impact will make you prouder of your project in the long run. As your dream kitchen island comes together, pay attention to the small details: rounded edges for safety, soft closed drawers for a touch of luxury, and outlets discreetly tucked beneath the countertop for charging devices or powering small appliances. Consider how your island will age and adapt to your family's changing needs. Can you swap out stools for high chairs as your family grows, or convert baking stations into homework nooks? Above all, your kitchen island should reflect your personality and enhance your home's overall vibe. Love to entertain? Add a built-in wine fridge or extend the countertop for extra seating. Passionate about baking? Dedicate a marble slab for rolling dough. If you have kids, add a chalkboard panel for budding artists or a step stool tucked away for little helpers. As the final elements fall into place, imagine all the moments that will unfold around your kitchen island. The laughter, the creativity, the everyday rituals that make a house a home. It becomes more than just a workspace. It's a stage for life's memorable moments. Creating your dream kitchen island from scratch is a rewarding journey, blending practicality with creativity. Whether you tackle it yourself or collaborate with skilled craftsmen, the result is a one-of-a-kind centerpiece that transforms your kitchen into a place where memories are made, meals are shared, and your style shines through. With careful planning, thoughtful choices, and a touch of inspiration, your dream kitchen island can become the heart of your home for years to come.